bird on the tree. He's flying away. Doesn't he say yes? Shout out what? Well, it looks like we're working afternoon, bro.
We are in the afternoon, bro.
Damn, bro. Only 1 hour left.
Yes.
Because I think we're gonna like clean at like 3.
3 what? 3 o'clock? Oh yeah, because it's pretty strict.
Oh yeah, because they just, when we came in, when we came in it was empty, right?
Fuck yeah. That's
And then weekend. Sasha. Woohoo.
Oh, it is the weekend. Vasa. Time. Ice cream. Oh. Angat. Kagaraga. Ang ipot sa guwasat. Ya bukas at ice cream.
You did the ice cream, come on.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Before you guys get 30. Damn, I'm really trying to get this right today, bro.
Hit it, bro.
I mean,
Good shit.
I fell piece right. Okay, this one I was good.
Hey, that is your no fish.
Fell is that a piece right? See with this one? With the third one? I could have got fucking.
I'm not slow pace.
No, man.
What happened, bro?
I'm still busting
You
my
got
clothes, bro.
What did you make? 25?